Surprise Saturday, hot historical draw. Yes, you heard it right. It's a miracle. You call it crazy, insane, but Canada invites 27,332 candidates in a historic Saturday draw. Yes, you heard it right. I kept waiting to see if there was some error, some glitch, something was wrong, as this is just unbelievable. But Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, invited candidates from the Canadian Experience Class, CEC, on February 13th. Thousands of candidates. Some have already received ITAs, some are receiving them now and will be receiving to apply for permanent residence. There was a tiebreaker rule, of course, which applies here. Which means that candidates who had the minimum score of just 75 were only included if they submitted their express entry profile before September 12th, 2020 at a specific time. Today's draw shows us that IRCC is committed to achieving its target of 401,000 new immigrants in 2021. And out of those, IRCC is aiming to welcome 108,500 through express entry managed programs. This unprecedented express entry invitation round only required candidates to have a comprehensive ranking system CRS score of at least 75, the lowest CRS requirement ever. Candidates who were short of a few points but had submitted their profile and thought they will work towards improving their profile just got lucky. They won this lottery. International students contribute more than 21 billion annually to the Canadian economy. And we've seen that this pandemic has presented countless challenges for international students. So several measures have been announced to ensure that international students will not miss out on opportunities after they graduate due to the COVID situation. This is by ensuring that studies that they have completed outside Canada will count towards a future postgraduate work permit, and by allowing international students to complete their entire 100% program online from outside Canada, from abroad. And they will still be eligible for a postgraduate work permit. These measures apply to all international students who are enrolled in a postgraduate work permit eligible program and meet all other postgraduate work permit criteria. So basically, the recovery plan for our Canadian economy includes attracting the skilled immigrants and encouraging international students to settle permanently in Canada, as they contribute towards the short-term recovery and also towards a long-term prosperity plan for our economy. They help in many essential areas like technology, healthcare, even in the retail sector. Their Canadian experience and education makes them more likely to establish themselves successfully in Canada. So this unbelievable draw was for them to transition from their temporary status to permanent residence. It was an insane draw. Even our Honorable Marco Mendicino, our Minister of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship, recently mentioned the contribution of international students by stating that whether as health workers on the pandemic front lines or as founders as some of the most promising startups, international students are giving back to the communities across Canada as we continue to fight against the pandemic. Their status may be temporary, but the contributions of international students are long-lasting. He stated that the message to our international students and graduates is simple. We don't just want you to study here, we want you to stay here. On Wednesday, Canada also held an express entry draw inviting 654 provincial nominee program PNP candidates to apply for permanent residence. So immigration targets are high, they are massive. Don't keep waiting. If you have been thinking about applying for Canadian immigration, Canada is not trying to attract only those who are inside Canada. But as soon as the restrictions ease and borders open, Immigration Department will be flooded with applications in all categories. So the time is now. Take action. This is the right moment. If you have been thinking of applying for Canadian immigration, it's the perfect time. Apply now. Find out if you're eligible. Schedule a consultation with us to discuss your options. Whether you are in Canada or outside Canada, please get in touch with us to know your options and take action now. Stay safe, stay positive, and contact us at royalvistaimmigration.com. You can also call us at 905-226-1929. We are based in Ottawa, Canada. My name is Reshma Mathur, and I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I can help you with all your Canadian immigration matters. Please get in touch with me. You can visit my website at royalvistaimmigration.com or call me at 905-226-1929.